Hello, what is up everybody? RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video, and today we have the Mini GT BMW 750i xDrive in this awesome looking black Sapphire. So yeah, the box here kinda seems similar to the Lincoln Capri that I've done previously in one of my Mini GT videos, and yeah, the box kinda looks similar except for the car that is displayed in front, which is kind of cool. Number 436. And moving on to the back, oh, I kind of like the BMW license here. Yeah, you have that, I don't know, like the front nose of the BMW, which kind of looks interesting. And then you have TSM model, and then yeah, that's that for if you want it. There you go. And yeah, let's go ahead and open this one up. So this is more to like a luxury vehicle, to be honest. But yeah, I kind of like the whole color and overall the whole body of it. So obviously many people, not so many, but still like quite frequently a lot of people kinda use the 750 Li. So it's more of like the 7 series basically, and you might have known the 5 series, the 3 series, and basically M3, M4, and M6. So this is not the M version, instead this is the 7 series. So it's basically like the 5 series, but then longer version of the 5 series, and basically more luxurious and more what do you call that, more sophisticated basically. So this is the BMW 750 Li, and right off the bat seems pretty cool. I kind of like the fact that it's pure in this black sapphire color. I do kind of like the latest version of the 7 series. They have like that 2 color tone, which I do still like, but then it kind of ruins the whole cleanliness of the car basically. Like this car and just this color, this car particularly in this certain color, it just seems pretty cool and very nice, not gonna lie. And yeah, basically it's fully detailed. I kind of like that as well. But yeah, let's go ahead and check the car out. I'm surprised that they've chosen the previous version instead of the newly introduced 7 series and not the older version, I mean the newer version. I don't know why they've taken this model, but still it's kind of fine, I guess. So starting from the rims, you have these like, I don't know, chrome, it's not chrome, but it's like matte silver color rims. I was expecting it to be like sort of like that chrome-ish color, but still matte silver also works and it's still fine. And then you have the like gas tank right there, the gas cap, sorry. Right there you have the like silver linings at the doors, near the windows right there, which is kind of cool. You have some more silver linings at the bottom. Then you have the side mirror. And then moving on to the front looks quite aggressive as well. You have the headlights right there, which are quite aggressive as you can see. And then moving on to the grille, yes, the grille is highly detailed, which I do kind of like. And basically you won't really get these type of grille details from other diecast brands. Sometimes they won't do the grille detailing, sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. But still, overall Mini GT really nailed it. I do kind of like the grille. It looks super nice. You have the BMW logo right there and some other silver linings at the back, I mean the bottom. You have some grille detailing. Overall pretty nice. I love the black interior inside, which is pretty cool. You have this long hood, surprisingly. It's quite long for a normal car, but still, this is a 7 series, so it's like a longer version of a 5 series. So yeah, pretty nice. You have the sunroof for the front passengers and the rear passengers, which are kind of cool and overall pretty nice. And moving on to the back, you have the rear lights. You have that white silver lining at the back right there, and it says BMW 750i. And you have some exhaust tips at the bottom right there as well, which are kind of cool. But yeah, let's move on to the base. Matte black base, as you can see right here. Mini GT, made in China. But yeah, overall this is more of like a luxury type of a vehicle, but still pretty nice to own and have as a diecast collector. And overall it seems pretty cool and pretty nice. Sure wish that they would make like, I don't know, a 5 series, maybe like the previous versions, who knows, or maybe they'll make the newer M2, who knows, like the latest M2, which is also quite cool, except for the grille that many people don't like. But still, overall the 7 series, very cool. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.